Who will start?
Me, I don't know who start. Do I look good, guys? I don't know if I look good because I haven't checked it. So yeah.
How do we look?
You check, bro. So you look good. So guys, what's up?
And welcome back
To
what should we say?
the next challenge.
Yep.
The first one was Korean challenge, and
Second
today
one is
this one we didn't do the Chinese thing, you know.
yeah.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed the first challenge we did, and today we're going to do another challenge. So I hope you enjoy.
It's all
this one.
about language exchange.
Yeah,
You know.
like he's going to tell me he's hard,
Somali, not actually that hard. Some basics and something nice.
but actually they're going to be hard, bro.
Let's see.
Oh yeah, let's see. And I going to tell him hard Swahili words.
Actually, I can speak Swahili.
Okay, tell me one word.
Nakupenda malaika.
That's one, eh?
Nakupenda malaika. Haraka.
Haraka.
Yeah, haraka.
For you, it will be easy for you because it will be easy for him because some words in Swahili are like Arabic, right?
Yeah, like Arabic.
So it will be easy for him. So guys, let's start.
I hope Somali will be easy.
No,
She's
bro.
too easy.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not that hard.
Let's start. You have to start, bro.
So guys, here we start the video, and I'm gonna tell him some basics. Let's start with Abo. Say Abo.
First, wait, what's the
It means like father.
What?
The meaning
Father?
is father.
Ah,
Abo.
father.
Yeah, Abo.
Abo.
Hoyo
Oyo.
means mother.
Ah, in Swahili, oyo means like, oya, VP. Oya.
Oh yeah, VP. What does it mean?
Like, you know, like, hey, what's up? Like, those people from the hood, you know? From the hood. We say, oya,
Like
VP.
nigga?
Yeah, like, nigga, what's up, nigga?
For us, we only say Uria.
Uria.
That's it. Actually, warrior doesn't have like meaning. It's somehow like nigga.
Okay.
Nigga.
Okay, I'm going to tell you one famous chief from my country. Mkwame Nkrumah nakupenda sana.
The hell? The hell? Again. Zalaga.
Mkwame Nkrumah nakupenda sana.
Nakupenda sana. I know. Okay, that one is easy. Nukumana?
No.
What? Come back. You said what?
Mkwame Nkrumah.
Nukwame Nkruna.
No.
What the hell is this?
Mkwame Nkrumah.
Just start with the basics, just like me.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Mambo.
Mambo.
Poa.
Poa.
Vipi.
Vipi.
Not Vipi.
What?
Vipi.
Vipi.
Yeah, Vipi.
Okay, it's just you
It's
have
like
to make,
VPN.
You have to make.
Yeah,
You have to make it hard, like.
Yeah,
Vipi.
Vipi.
Okay.
Okay, so we are going to stage 2, right?
Stage 2, yeah. Something too hard or normal or like. Okay.
For me.
Okay, let me see this.
It's easy, bro.
It's easy. Let me see. Think good. Think good. Even I couldn't say it like perfectly. Say it. Think good.
Wait,
It means turtle hole. But I don't know. Hole, then turtle.
Hole.
Just
Which hole? Like which hole?
Any hole. Just say it.
How can I say something hole? Like
No, not that hole. Just say it.
Which hole?
Being good.
No, I cannot abuse myself. Like
No,
which?
it's not abuse, really. It's like famous word. We just say it like what? Sometimes when we are playing together, like you have to say after me. So if you can, just like we as Somali people, we also say it like that. Say it after me. Think good. And you have to say it fast. Say it fast.
Repeat it again.
Din good good. Let me make it slow.
Yeah.
Din good good.
Mm-hmm.
Din good 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 goody good good.
Tingongo dum. Holy shit! Dingongo goringoro kondo.
Din good good.
Ding good good.
Good goody good good.
Good good good. Like I'm rapping, bro. Like good kondo. No,
That's the point. That's the point. No, that's the point. That's the
My
point. You have
country
to
was
rap.
back it.
Okay.
Dingro kontoriko korontoto.
Okay. What's your word? Tell me something.
Okay. Hard one.
Hard word. Yeah. Let me think.
Okay. Nkurunzinza. Nkurunzinza. I'm taking you old school.
Okay. Okay.
Nkurunzinza
Okay.
alivyoniona mimi mpuuzi.
Nkurunzinza. Ivoroni.
And that one is the simple one. Nkurunzinza alivyoniona mimi mpuuzi akaamua nifanye.
Wait, one by one. Nkurunzinza. Ivoroni. What the hell? Wait. Alivyoniona. Is there
Yes.
F or what? Alivyoniona.
Very yes.
Okay. And then
Nkurunzinza alivyoniona mpuuzi.
Mbuzi.
Akasema
bumba.
Plus mashudu
Plus mashudu.
is equals to 0.
Is equals to 0. It's English, man.
Sawasawa na sifuri.
Sawasawa na sifuri.
What? Yeah.
Sawasawa na sifuri. Sifuri.
Okay. Repeat it.
Oh.
Yeah. Nkurunzinza alivyoniona mpuuzi. Nkurunzinza alivyoniona mpuuzi.
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 Mbuzi.
Mbuzi is good.
Mbuzi.
Mbuzi is God, bro. Like, are you God?
I'm not God. Even he can't say it.
Nkurunzinza alivyoniona mpuuzi akasema pumba sawa.
It's too long, man. Make it short. It's too long.
Nkurunzinza alivyoniona mpuuzi pumba plus mashudu sawa na sifuri.
Sawa na sifuri. Enough. That's it.
Let me teach you a song. Stay like this. You have to do like this. 1, 2. Follow me. Maua mazuri yapendeza, ukiyatizama yanameremeta. Maua mazuri yapendeza, ukiyatizama yanameremeta. Bro, you're not singing.
I don't know the lyrics. How can I sing?
Say maua mazuri.
Mama wazuri.
What?
Mama wazuri. Yeah, mama wazuri. Then
yapendeza.
I'm singing.
Ukiyatizama
yanameremeta. What? Again.
Yanameremeta. Maua mazuri.
Guys, you don't see the action. This is from here.
Yeah. Maua mazuri.
It's just like we are doing this.
Yes. Guys, I hope you remember this song. Like when we were kids, we used to sing this song. Tell me any like, somehow it's easy. Like, see the way I'm flexing with it. Shout out to all my
Tanzanian people.
Shout out to all our Somalian friends. Unatumia socks au unataka kupita kavu?
Cut.
What?
Chat or cut? Cut.
Jiro.
Jiro.
Hey, we are from Jiro.
We are from Jiro.
Everything. Takbir, takbir, takbir.
Takbir, takbir.
Go.